Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the 0x0000001c Pfn reference count blue screen error on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So typically culprits for this sort of error message as with the most blue screen could be issues with the system files being corrupted, outdated system files. Kung paano ba natin ito fix? And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito, kailangan mo lang i-type yung device manager. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapter. Okay, so kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then lalabas lahat yung kanyang drivers. So ang next step ay i-select mo lang tong M10 Wi-Fi. So click mo lang yan. And then right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung update drivers. Click lang natin yan. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. And then select lang natin tong search automatically and then tap lang natin yan. Yan. So makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So ang next step, so close lang natin to. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step dito lang sa settings. And then select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Windows Update, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-download and install yung makikita mo dito available na download. Okay? So once na-download mo na or install, so close lang natin dito. Ang next step ay dito na ulit sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc/scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan lang ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step ay close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix 0x0000001c Pfn reference count blue screen error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.